Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Welcome to this gentle outdoor yoga session designed to relieve stress and improve flexibility. Let's begin by centering ourselves in nature, allowing the fresh air and natural beauty to bring us peace and balance. Start by sitting comfortably with your spine tall. Close your eyes, take a deep inhale through your nose, and exhale slowly. Let go of tension. Breathe deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs, and release any stress with each exhale. Let's take 3 more deep breaths together. Gently tilt your head to one side, stretching your neck. Hold and switch sides. Now, roll your shoulders back, releasing tension. Slowly lift your arms overhead and stretch to one side, feeling the gentle lengthening of your spine. Let's switch sides, moving with ease, with breath, and with gratitude. Let's transition onto all fours. On your inhale, arch your back, lifting your chest for cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin to your chest for cat pose. Flow through this movement at your own pace, syncing breath with motion. Now, gently press back into child's pose. Let your forehead rest on the mat and surrender into stillness. When you're ready, lift into downward dog. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and spine. Hold and breathe. Slowly walk your feet forward and settle into a seated forward fold. Relax here, allowing your body to melt into the stretch. Gently lower yourself onto your mat and rest in Savasana. Feel the support of the earth beneath you. Let go of any lingering stress. Breathe deeply, embracing the stillness. Nature is holding you in peace and tranquility. When you're ready, bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly roll to one side and gently rise to a seated position. Bring your hands to your heart. Take a final deep breath and exhale with gratitude. Thank you for practicing with me today.